Hello everyone, welcome to Data Ratify. Today, we will see how to use the text join function in Excel. The text join function is handy for data analysts, especially when combining data from multiple cells into a single cell with a specific delimiter, like commas or spaces. This function is especially useful when working with large data sets. Combining data is crucial for analysts because it enables the creation of comprehensive, readable information from multiple columns. For example, when consolidating names, addresses, or product codes, analysts can produce a unified view that supports clear, actionable insights. This not only makes reports easier to read, but also simplifies data import for other tools and reduces potential data entry errors. One may ask how different the text join function is from the concatenate function. While the concatenate function can combine texts from multiple cells, text join provides two major advantages. One, it allows one to insert a delimiter between each combined value automatically. Concatenate requires that we manually add delimiters each time. 2. Text join has the option to ignore empty cells, so we do not get unnecessary delimiters when there is no data in a cell. Concatenate does not skip blanks, which can lead to undesired extra spaces or symbols in the output. So let's jump right in for some practicals. Here we have data spread across multiple fields, and such data also has missing values that need to be skipped or ignored, as we can see in cell F4, G6, H4, H6, and E8, E7, sorry. This example focuses on developing employees' skills and certifications matrix. The aim is to create a combined skills and certifications profile for each employee. So let's employ the text join function. Remember the equal to text join, and then we insert our first argument. We want to use the comma and a space as our delimiter, and then a comma, and then the next argument is that we want it to ignore spaces, and we want the data from cell E4 to H4 in this case. There you go. Now we can see that even though it skips the space in cell F4, it actually included some space, but we see that the space is in between the word and the delimiter, which suggests that cell E might have extra spaces in them. Yeah, you see that? Yes, there's an extra space here as well. You recall our last video on cleaning spaces. As the space seems to be after the word in each cell, we can use the trim function to clean the original data set. So let's clean this data set by employee. Let's clean this data set by employee using the trim function. Okay, so using the trim function, we have cleaned this data. And then we can now apply text join. The first argument, which is a comma space, and the next argument, which is to tell it to ignore empty cells, and we want it to range from E to H across the entire data. There you go. So now we have our skills and certification matrix per employee. I hope you found this video useful. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you very much for joining us on this learning journey. Do have a wonderful weekend. Bye.